I'm so good. You're the glitter in the dark.